Good evening, everyone. Just got off work this morning. Had to run some errands, empty my tanks here on the camper, fill up the water and everything, just doing some errands. It's freezing out there. It's getting cold around here. Getting muddy. But I noticed they're harvesting some beets over here beside me, so I'm going to run over there and watch them for a little bit, try to record some of it so you can kind of see what this is all about. I can't really record at the piling site because they kind of frown on that. I'm gonna try to sneak some in there when I get a chance, but yeah, they don't like phones and cameras around there. It's a distraction, so maybe I can get some of that in there. But I am gonna run right over here and we're gonna watch them harvest some beets out of the ground for a little bit. Let me get my shoes on. It's cold. You have to forgive me. I've been out in the cold all night, so I'm a little chilly, but yeah. Get my shoes on, we'll run right over here and watch them dig some beets out of the ground. It's going to be a beautiful sunny day today. As you can see, the sun's shining, all that snow we had's gone, but it is a sloppy old muddy mess out here. And my truck, my poor truck. You see even got mud slung up beside the window, mud's on the windshield, all these little spots you see, that's all mud. It's miserable. Right over there is where they're harvesting, so let me pause this and get over there and we'll watch them a little bit. Actually, I think I'm just gonna record my drive over there. It's not nothing, it's kind of boring, nothing really good to see, but you kind of see the campground staying in. It's actually a fairground. They've turned into a campground while we're here. We're actually right beside a subdivision. I could probably sit right here and watch them. I might just do that. Nah, we'll drive on over there. Them trees will be in the view there, blocking it, so we'll just drive on over there. Take a little ride here. Man, it's gonna be a pretty day. I'm actually gonna take a shower and go to bed here a little bit. Try to clean the little camper up some before I do. Then, yeah, I'm gonna miss this sunny day because I work all night and I'm gonna lay down and go sleep. A lot of campers are gone. This place was packed, but because of the weather, that was all campers when I got here. But they give up, As soon as it gets bad, a lot of them just pack up and leave. They give up on it. But I usually stick around to the end. There's see that gray bus? That's a tiny house on the highway. I've got to meet them here. They've got a YouTube channel if you want to go watch them. It's called Tiny House on the Highway. And that's their friends. I can't remember their names. They don't have a YouTube channel, but they're doing the bus thing. So I'm kind of thinking about doing that myself, maybe building a schoolie. I don't know this yet. Most of y'all know I'm a dreamer. I've always got ideals. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing that. We'll just see how it turns out. But I tell you what, I am over the mud. Oh man, everything's so muddy around here. But anyway, it could be worse, I could be broke and homeless and living on the street, so I'm thankful for what I got. I can deal with a little bit of mud. This is a little farming community here. They don't have any, no stores, no kind of industry. Well, they got, it's all farm. I guess you say it's industry, but there ain't no Walmarts, no dollar stores, no nothing. They got a post office. That's about it. Quiet little town. I kind of like it. You got to drive pretty good ways to get anywhere, grocery store or whatnot, but I kind of like it like that. That's how I was raised, and so it's pretty common to me to be way out in the bushes like this. I know the camera's all different angles and shaking and bouncing around, but I'm trying to drive with one hand and hold this camera. This ain't no Steven Spielberg production. Y'all know that by now. I'm not trying to do all that. But there's all kinds of people work to harvest. You got the little campers like me, then you have the little buses, and over there, if I could zoom this in without running off in a ditch, over there you got the $100,000 Class A's. I mean, you know, there's all kinds of type of people that come do the harvest. You meet a lot of unique people here. I guess you say a wide diversity of people. There's rich people that does this, poor people that does it. There's even people that come here that they work a full-time job and they take their vacation to come here and work this harvest. So it's pretty neat. You meet a wide range of people. Yeah, in that field in front of us, right there, if the camera focus, they're out there digging beets out of the ground right now. I'm gonna stay in the truck. I got this thing zoomed in, so I'm trying to hold it still. But yeah, I'm gonna stay in the truck because it's cold and windy, and I've been in it all night long, so yeah, I'm gonna stand here where it's warm. We'll wait till that machine gets a little closer so you can see how it does it better, how it digs out of the ground, separates the dirt from the beets, and then puts the beets in the little trailer there. They're way off. I mean, I got my camera zoomed all the way in. You see a little ring there in the back of that tractor. I know I'm shaking real bad, but I got this camera zoomed 120 times, and it's really hard to hold it still. So what we'll do, we'll wait till they get a little closer, because they're way out there on the other side of that field from us. So you can't see them now. But anyway, I'm gonna pause this and wait till they come back to us, so it won't be so shaky. Show you right here where they done harvested. See the dirt? The green right there is the top of the beets. It has a large leaf on top, kind of like I'm gonna compare it to like a radish, or you know, even a regular beet. You know, the beet's in the ground and that large leafy, you know, that's the top of it. So you see the dirt where nothing's at, you know, they've already harvested that, and they still got this whole field to do, which they'll knock it out in no time. It won't be probably an hour they'll have this field done. Yeah, they don't waste no time. We'll sit here for a minute, let them come back towards us, get a little closer, then I'll turn the camera back on. I just noticed that they're loading the truck over there. I'm gonna see if I can zoom in and get it. I mean, they're way over there. I don't know how good it's gonna show up. You can see there's a truck right there. Right there's a truck. Trying to find the one they're loading. There's all the farmers. I'm trying to find, you'll have to be patient. I got this thing zoomed in so far, I can't hardly find it on the screen. They was loading one. Where'd it go? There it is. I see it with my eyes. Now I gotta find it in the field. Where's that? There it is. See, he's offloading. They load that little wagon there, and now he's offloading into a truck. And I've got it zoomed in as far as I can. I mean, they're a long ways off. I thought I was gonna catch them over here loading trucks. You see the beets going in the truck there? Yeah, I thought I was gonna see it over here, but it looks like they're loading the trucks on the other side, and I can't get over there. So this is the best I can do right here. I know it's pretty shaky. I apologize for that. I've got it zoomed in, and it's really hard to hold still. But you can see him offloading in that little semi there, and he's going to take it to the yard where I work and dump it in a pile. Or actually, he'll dump it on a conveyor belt, and my machine will dump it into a pile. Again, I apologize for being so shaky. This is really hard to do. I don't have the camera on tripod or nothing. I'm just holding it. But just to give you an idea of how far away they are from me, I can't even see them with my eyes hardly. I just, you know, looking at them through the viewfinder here. I heard the noise. Is the only reason I knew they was over there. I could hear the tractors running. Okay, I'm gonna pause it and then wait till they get over here closer to us. Well, he snuck up on me. I thought they was going to harvest on this end. He's just going from this side, which is going away from me. They're harvesting one side. They got a certain route they travel, it looks like. He should start harvesting when he gets on that corner over there. We're going to find out. This is kind of new to me also. I've never really actually watched them harvest before, so I really don't know what the procedure is. It's kind of new to me too. I'm thinking he's going to start digging them right here, I think. We're going to find out. Yeah, it looks like he may be getting set up. I don't know. I don't see it moving. That little belt looking thing on the back. Yeah, there it goes. He's just digging beets out of the ground now. There's some kind of little tumbler. I'm assuming that's what separates the dirt and the beets. Yeah, we're going to see my truck right here. I got it zoomed in, so sorry about that. It's super cold out there, folks. And I was out in it all night. Yeah, I don't want to be out there. You just have to forgive me. But he's digging. Here comes that's what he's going to load the beets in, that little trailer, and they transport it to where the trucks are staged up to load them, to load the trucks. And when that trailer gets loaded, it looks like they'll pull a truck up beside the harvester and load it, just to keep the process going. We'll get back over here to the harvester. That's what I'm kind of interested in. That thing's pretty neat. You see the dirt and the beets separating up there. I don't know exactly. They got to be getting dug up right there, that part of it, I would guess. Travels up that belt, goes in that tumbler. And you can see that in the middle of the screen, them beets bouncing around, looks like balls. Actually, that's the beets going up that belt and falling in that little carrier there. Oh, there they go, they're taking off on me. Yeah, he's going to offload in that trailer now. I tell you what, these farmers are hardcore, man. They'll go out there with them trucks and put chains on them and drag them to that field. They don't sit around on the couch and wait for a pretty day. That's money they're digging out of the ground there. Yeah, it's pretty neat. Look like he's putting some in that trailer, that transport trailer, and look like he's dumping some on his back there. So I don't know. Maybe, I don't really know how the process works. Like I said, this is kind of new to me also. I just put them on the ground. I don't dig them out of the ground. I put them on the ground. Yeah. Now, I was hoping to see them load trucks. They got them staged up. Let me find them right there. No, that's the farmers. Give me a second to find. It may not be no trucks. Oh, the last one's leaving. I see it way over here. Yeah, they just loaded him. Now he's leaving to go to the piling site, which is where I work. He's going to dump that load and come right back and reload again. But that's just a quick, give you a quick idea of how the process works. Pretty neat. I come up here every year, work to harvest. I really enjoy it. But anyways, oh, super dark. I think I'm gonna get off here because I'm tired, I'm cold. I want to get back to the camper and take me a shower and give me something to eat and get ready for the night. We'll just keep doing it over and over until we get them done and time to go home. Yep, pretty good money. It's not really hard work. It's just kind of, Well, I'm just gonna be honest with you. It's kind of miserable. It's cold and wet. Today happens to be a sunny day, but normally it's raining or snowing. It's cold and wet and miserable. And the work is easy. The money's good. The conditions, I don't care what anybody says, it's not fun. It's, you know, like I said, it's cold and wet and miserable. If they say it's fun, then they got a screw loose or something. I don't know what to tell you, but yeah, I think I'm gonna get off here. Just end this video right here. I don't know. It shouldn't be too long. I hope it ain't. I always say that, and it's like an hour long. But just want to give you an idea, kind of what the operation is, and they happen to be close where I can get close to them, so I can come over here and record it real quick. But yep, I'm gonna get off here, go shower, get me something to eat, and then get ready to make some more money tonight. So, till I see you next time. God bless you.